Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm just going to be showing you what I've done since last time, and I know anybody's even watching these. It's been a long time since I made the last video, and that's mostly because school started, but also just because I kind of forgot about it and was working on other things. As you can see, I've added some building because I couldn't really think of what else to do. I'm gonna try to add, I did kind of add, uh, collision detection a little bit to the blocks, but it was only to the last one that was placed, and I didn't know how to fix it. So I'll start over on that later. But hopefully I can add collision detection to all the blocks so I don't just walk right through them. That'd be pretty neat. Then I could also implement that into monsters so you can build like a safe house or something. But anyway, I just added some blocks because I thought it looked pretty nice. And if you notice, I actually took away the big shadow thing because it's just nicer to be able to see. Like, then I can look over here and see a highway over there across the horizon or whatever you want to call that, the end of the world. I also have a cold, so if I sound funny, yeah, it's really, I went to camp for like a week and then I came back and got sick. But anyways, this is what I've been working on. It looks pretty cool actually. What if I was to render in like some kind of uh, a house or something, then I could place it over there and then build onto it. That'd be pretty neat. Anyways, right now the height of the block is controlled by the mouse, and the position of it is controlled by the arrow keys. Now, originally the side to side was controlled by the arrow keys, but I changed that to Q and E for now. I've been working testing on it. It's actually harder than you would think, but I've been working on controlling the side to side of the camera with the mouse, and hopefully I can get that done because it's not like that hard, but it would just take some time to figure out. Anyways, um, basically you just control this with the arrow keys, which just works out pretty good actually, because I haven't really figured out how I would place it at the mouse because you would have to do like ray casting and all that. But yeah, this is pretty much just an update to what I've done. You place by hitting the space bar, and I disabled jumping for now. I could make it so that when you click with the other mouse thing, because right now it's controlling the height by clicking with the right mouse button. So if I just did it to the left, I could do that, but I'll do that later. That's actually really easy. I don't know why I didn't do that. But anyways, this is pretty much all I've done. It's really cool actually. This like when I never thought I'd be making something like this. It looks pretty cool. But coming with that, there's a lot of code in here, a lot of stuff. Each one of these probably has like 200 lines or something. It's because I just been writing random stuff. I haven't done any optimizing at all, and it's still running pretty fast. If I like print the frame rate out, it says even 50 most of the time, or 40 now because I added so many blocks. Yeah. Also, if I rerun this, it does not save the block placement, which is kind of strange. Oh yeah, and you can see it's pretty much 50 something, 50, 42, 59, 50. There's two things printing out right now, so it's kind of confusing. When you walk up to too many trees, sometimes that can mess it up. But yeah, it looks pretty cool right now. That's about all I've done. I will start doing these more regularly because school is out and it's been out for a while, but I had some extra CAD classes at a new school because I've never gone to an actual school before, and we started classes early and they kept going. So pretty neat. It's the first class I've ever gone to because I've been homeschooled for like ever. But yeah, I'm pretty glad with how this game is going. It looks really awesome. This is amazing. Yeah, these blocks are a part of an array list. I guess I can go over how it works. There's an array list of block objects up here. The blocks is probably the smallest thing in here. These two are like the smallest tabs, but um, the block are just a position, a size, a block. Obviously, this is part of the debug objects over here, and it's just an array of them. And then whenever you just make the array list, and then down here in draw, it's really inefficient, but it works perfectly. And I think this is figure out how to do it. I'm bad at optimizing, so yeah. But basically, it goes through the blocks array and renders all of them because that's the only function in here. So it works pretty well actually. The trees also, I made them randomize their size, and I made a lot less of them. I still have the thing where they only render when they're so close to you. Instead of touching the circle, that was a different functionality, different algorithm, different whatever equation. That's what I'm looking for. It's a lot easier this way because all you do is check the distance with the distance function. And I did the same thing with the circles at first. I don't think I ever updated the video, but I did change it so that it was actually checking to see if the model was inside the circle. But now it's reverted back to the original one because that works better. It's a lot faster. So yeah, I guess I can just make a thing. But that's pretty much all I've done. So I guess since I don't have anything else to show you, if you're watching this, I'll just yeah, I'll just stop the video. But I think it's pretty neat. If anybody has any ideas, I look in the comments all the time. For some reason, the comments are disabled on my computer, but I look on them on my iPad. I just can't say anything back on my iPad for some reason. Kind of weird, but that's the situation. So I guess I'll make a castle. Yeah, but I'll do that later. So thanks for watching. If you did watch this, I really appreciate it. And yeah, I guess I'll see you later. Bye.